Hello and namaste everyone. I hope you are enjoying all the yoga and wellness related content that I am putting out there on my social media pages as part of my new initiative, the Yogini project. The links to my Instagram, Facebook and YouTube channels are all given in the description or caption box below. So do make sure you like, share, subscribe and follow me on all platforms to get access to all my content. I am a yoga practitioner, a certified Hatha Yoga instructor, a working mother, and I have been leading a healthy holistic lifestyle for more than 2 decades now. The Yogini project is my humble attempt at spreading the knowledge and ancient wisdom of Hatha Yoga in a manner which is relatable and practical to everyone around me. I do hope the Yogini project brings good health and positivity into your lives and motivates you to adopt a healthy, happy and holistic lifestyle for a lifetime. In today's video, I am going to show you the most amazing full body workout that's ever been designed in the world of fitness, and that is the Suryanamaskar. The health benefits of Suryanamaskar or Sun Salutation are immense, both for the body as well as the mind. If you are looking to lose weight, improve cardiovascular health, strengthen your muscles, improve flexibility, enhance blood circulation and relax your mind, look no further. For this video, I will be showing you the classical Suryanamaskar, also known as the Type A variation in the Ashtanga Vinyasa style of yoga. One full round of Suryanamaskar includes 2 half cycles of 12 postures each. So, there are a total of 24 postures in one full round of Suryanamaskar. Do remember that it is ideal to inhale and exhale as per the sequence that I show you, but if you are a beginner, it's perfectly alright if you don't get it right the first few times. It all comes over a period of time with consistent practice, trust me. Let's start by coming to the front of the mat in a standing position. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed and feet together. Now bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale, bringing full awareness to your body. Now inhale. Lift your arms up and arch your back into Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch your palms to the ground in Pada Hastasana. Now inhale, take your right leg back into Ashwa Sanchalan, press down on the mat with your toes, keep your legs straight and look ahead. You may also rest your knee on the mat with your toes pointing outward. Feel the stretch in your lower back, thighs and hips. Now hold your breath and take your left leg back and bring your body into a plank pose or Falakasana like this. Keep your core engaged and your hips in line with your spine, not lifting up or dropping down. Exhale, bring your knees down, chest down and chin down to the mat into Ashtanga Namaskar. Now inhale deeply and lift your torso upwards into Bhujangasana. Make sure your shoulders are not shrugged, keep your elbows straight, feel the stretch in your full spine and look up towards the sky. Now exhale and lift your hips up into Adho Mukha Svanasana, also popularly known as the downward dog pose. Try to touch your heels to the ground, keep your legs straight, feel the stretch in your thighs and hips. Drop your head between your shoulders and feel the stretch on your shoulders, upper back and middle back. Now inhale and bring your right leg forward between your palms into Ashwa Sanchalan. Again, you may keep your knees on the mat with your toes pointing outwards. Exhale, bring your left leg forward between your palms into Pada Hastasana. Try to touch your palms to the ground, keep your legs straight. And finally, inhale, lift your torso upwards, stretch your hands above your head and arch your back into Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale. Bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. This is the completion of one half cycle of Surya Namaskar, where we lead with the right leg in Ashwa Sanchalan. Now let's do the other half cycle the same way as before, but this time leading with the left leg in Ashwa Sanchalan. Inhale, lift your arms up and arch your back into Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bend forward into Pada Hastasana. Inhale, take your left leg back into Ashwa Sanchalan. Now hold your breath, take your right leg back and bring your body into a plank pose. Exhale, bring your knees down, chest down and chin down to the mat into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale deeply and lift your torso upwards into Bhujangasana. Exhale, lift your hips up into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now inhale and bring your left leg forward between your palms into Ashwa Sanchalan. Exhale, bring your right leg forward between your palms into Pada Hastasana. Inhale, lift your torso upwards into Asta Uttanasana. Exhale, bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra, and that completes one full round of Surya Namaskar. Remember to focus on your breathing, listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Try to do at least 5 full rounds of Surya Namaskar if you are a beginner. Trust me, it will test your strength, stamina and flexibility quite nicely, but you will end up feeling rejuvenated and energized by the end of your session. Do try this exercise at home and do let me know in the comments section if you liked this video. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Namaskar.